You found me. Hey, it's Annabelle, and Prairie is also here. Okay, never mind. My Glossier parcel came in today. I ordered some of the latest products. I mean, some of them came out a few months ago, but I haven't gotten the chance to try them yet. So I'm gonna show you. Alrighty, so a few days ago Glossier dropped 2 new colors to their Cloud Paint line, which is their liquid blush. I'm personally more excited about Dawn because I'm in love with tomato reds and red oranges. So I'm just gonna apply this one to my face and swatch both. I only have concealer on my face currently. I feel like it's always safer to apply to my hand first and then take as needed. So it's more orange than red, I would say, which is perfect. I've been in love with red orange. It's like my second favorite color these days. The only downside to these products is that I'm always afraid of over squeezing, so I'm gonna carefully just dot it onto the back of my palm. Wait, the back of my palm is just the back of my hand. I like to concentrate most of the color in one spot and then dilute it on my cheek here. I've been overdoing my blush lately and making it really colorful, and I just love how it interacts with a colorful lipstick, which I don't have on right now. Storm is a deep plum, has a warm undertone as well. This would be perfect for darker skin tones. I would have to use it carefully on my skin because the value is deep. This isn't a new product at all. I'm just gonna try it because I've been really enjoying their other serum. So I picked up the Super Pure serum, and it's meant to calm down acne. I never really break out so often, but recently I've broken out more than I ever have. And they're quite small. I just see little whiteheads build up. Like over here, I tried to deal with this, but didn't really work out. Now it's just like a black dot. I'm not going to sample this right now because my face is not clean. Also, I need a little time before I can formulate my opinion. Then I'll update you if I like it. I was so thrilled to find out that they released a mascara. I have high expectations for this, so let's see. It smells like mascara smells. I don't know why it matters, but some mascaras smell really nice like conditioner and some just don't, so this doesn't. Not that you might care. I don't have the best lashes, but I've been really into mascaras lately, and what I look for in them is that, most importantly, it is not sticky. Ever since my friend Amanda mentioned it to me, I've tried to curl my lashes after applying mascara, and it's so much more effective, so I really like that. And that's why it's important that my mascara is not very clumpy or sticky. The last product I have to try here is the Lid Star. It's their liquid eyeshadows that are very glittery. Comes in this interesting packaging, kind of like a test tube. I picked up 2 colors, Slip and Cub. They're both very pink with warm undertones. One of them is just darker in value, seems more mauve. Actually, I would say that they're iridescent rather than glittery. That one is not as opaque as I thought it would be. And then this is Cub. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be. Interesting. Although from afar, the sheen of it just makes it look a lot lighter. I don't know how I would apply this honestly, like all over my lid or something. It's not very pigmented and you're not seeing the pink. It's kind of just making my eyes look iridescent a little bit, so that was kind of disappointing, but it might be good as a cheek highlight. Let's see. I'm gonna try Cub and maybe it would show up more. It feels like I'm applying lip cream on my eye. That's like the texture. It's kind of nice. Do you see a difference? Yeah, I don't know if this is super worth the money because it's not as opaque as I thought. And when I apply it on my arm as a swatch, it looks better. It would work beautifully as a natural highlight. I like really, really popping bright highlight though, so I personally wouldn't purchase this just for that. Because I just put it all over my lid and I don't really see a difference as if I'm wearing eyeshadow at all. Put some lip gloss on. This is Can Make. Hopefully the mascara is dry and I can try curling it. This is working out quite well. After it dries, it doesn't cling to the curler at all, and it also doesn't make the lashes stick together. Now you can kind of tell I have mascara on, but it's very natural. I'm very satisfied with this one. And these are all the products that I got. I hope that you enjoy this casual, quick first impression review of them. And at this point, I'm already in Scotland. I hope that you enjoy this quick little video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I will see you very soon. Have a great rest of your day or your night. Bye! Look how cute she is.
She found a little box that fits her perfectly.
Please excuse the blue tape that was left here. I painted the walls. I was too lazy to remove it. Just ignore it. Ooh, catch that fly, Prairie. Look over there. There's a fly. Oh my god, you're not seeing the fly. Fine, I'll take care of it. Ah! I try to get things on one take, but it never works.